All right, this is a biggie. We're playing for $10,000. So far, Lauren, for Special Olympics, you have $1,224. And right over here for the Creative Arts Rehabilitation Center, you have $5,214. We got a one-question game for the right to play for $10,000. Let's play the feud. Let's go. All righty, this is it now. One question only, and then we go straight to the fast money. Here we go. 100 people surveyed. Top 7 answers are on the board. You have to try and find the most popular answer. Here's the question. Name something around the house that you can recognize by the sound it makes. Yeah.
Telephone.
Telephone. 3 answers will beat it. 3 answers will beat it.
We don't know yet.
Alarm clock.
An alarm clock.
Oh!
Gonna play or pass? Just one question.
She wants to pass.
We'll pass.
Gonna pass.
Oh, good, because we wanted to play.
One question. Wow. All righty. Something around the house you can recognize by the sound it makes, Bernie. Doorbell. Doorbell. Okay. It's a good answer. Didn't make it. Jill?
The radio.
Okay. Radio. Aaron? Something around the house you can recognize by the sound it makes.
Your car starting.
The car? Well, around the house.
Oh, around the house?
Yeah.
A refrigerator.
Okay. Refrigerator's there, you're all right. If not, third strike, and their strategy will have worked, I think. Refrigerator! Boy, this could have been the smartest move you ever made.
Okay. Hey. Okay, we mulled this over. We decided on a vacuum cleaner.
Sounds like a winner to me. I could think of lots of them. Blenders and vacuum cleaners, those kind of things. A vacuum cleaner's there, $18 for you, but the important thing is you'll play for $10,000. Vacuum! Number 2, please. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Washing machine. All righty, you stay, root 'em on. We got $10,000 at stake. 2 people, please. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. 2 people. Coming, Rhonda? I need 2 people, yes. Rhonda, go ahead. Okay. You going second? Yeah. Come, my love. Over here. There you go. So let me know when David's all ready. This is for luck.
Oh, thank you.
We'd love you to get
time.
$10,000.
Everybody tune
That'll be for the Special Olympics. Everybody ready? All righty. 15 seconds, please. Name the age when middle age begins.
40.
An autumn month.
Autumn month is October.
Something you buy in airline terminals.
Plane tickets.
Something oil is transported in.
Barrels.
A common color for flowers.
Red.
Turn around. Yeah! Oh, I like
something in autumn? You said autumn?
I used up some of your time by laughing when you gave me the famous autumn answer. The age when middle age begins. You said 40. Shows you have a slight cruel streak. I'm 47.
Why did I say
Survey said 37. An autumn month. You said, of course, the October. Survey said. You buy in airline terminals. You said tickets. Survey said.
Might do it all.
And the oil is transported in barrels, you said. Survey said. 22. Common color for flowers, you said red. You're only 44 points. Of course, we'll never see David Burney again. If it's there, you would get it all. Survey said. We'll be back right after this. First of all, this is Mariah, whose birthday it is today, and she spent it with us. And her proud dad, Fred. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay, you're going to help me do something. But first of all, I have to thank each and every one of our celebrities, and obviously our friends and dear, dear friends who made their 5th appearance here on The Love Boat. Jill and Gavin, yes. I really thank you for coming along with your celebrities, Pearl and Don and young Roberto there, who's looking into what we call a deep funk at this moment. And you're not, cerebral palsy, you're going to get $1,000 from us, and we thank you for playing and taking your time. And Ted, for Cher, you're going to get $1,000, and Jamie, I thank you, and you know I love you. Thank you, Janet. Ethel, and Uncle Bert, thank you. All righty. And Fred and Bernie brought a team along with Celeste and Jill and Darren, and you look for Creative Arts Rehabilitation Center, New York City, $5,214. Congratulations. And the young lady I spotted and said, I'll take you on the Tonight Show with me because you're so good. And you were there, and you brought along some winners, did you not? Douglas here, young Artie, who, of course, his name is still upside down, David, and Ron, and I thank you for the Special Olympics. What better cause? $11,242. Let's hand these out, okay? Each one of you. Look, you get these awards.
Thank you, Mom.
Mariah's going to hand them out, okay? Pass them along, pass them along. Here we go. One more, yep. Quick. And Mariah, wait, one more. And, hold 1 second. 1 second. This is her birthday. She did help me. $20 to buy ice cream. Happy birthday. We'll see you here on The Feud. Bye-bye.
What's the residual arrangement with that?
Love ya.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Family Feud, a Mark Goodson, Bill Todman production.